Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Netflix. Here we click on force stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can go to your airplane mode. You can click here and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem you have on your app of Netflix. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.